Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix CMD window appears and disappears on Windows 11. So to resolve this problem, press Windows key plus R. Now here type this command line I will give in description, so copy and paste. Then click on OK. It will resolve some common problems. Now close it and try this second method. Start settings. Now here click on privacy and security. Now here click on Windows security. Now click on virus and threat protection. Now here click on scan options. Now select full scan. Checks all files and running programs on your hard disk. This scan could take longer than 1 hour. Select it, then click on Scan Now. Now it will scan and it will find some mistake and errors. So find out and resolve that error. Once this complete, close and restart your system. So thanks for watching. Using this simple and easy way, we can fix and resolve CMD window appears and disappears on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.